Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the Senville air conditioner remote control. This remote is also used in some models of brands such as Carrier, Comfort-Aire, Pioneer and Lennox. If you want to check if the remote is working, point it at your phone camera and press the on-off button like that. If you see an infrared beam flashing on the camera screen, which is invisible to the naked eye, it means the remote is functional. This is the on-off button. We use it to turn the air conditioner on and off. The mode button is used to switch modes. With each press, the cursor stops next to the next mode. The air conditioner has 5 modes: cooling, drying, heating, fan, and auto. Most users use the cooling mode, therefore we will explain it first. Press the mode button, and when the cursor on the screen stops next to the word cool, the air conditioner enters cooling mode. In cooling mode, we recommend setting the temperature to 22 to 24 degrees Celsius or to 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want to save electricity, set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius or 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Setting the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius, 72 degrees Fahrenheit, it is not recommended. The fan speed is changed using the fan speed button. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. The higher the fan speed, the faster the room cools down. If the fan noise bothers you in the bedroom, you can choose the low speed. To move to the next mode, press the mode button again. The cursor on the screen will appear next to the word dry. This is the dry mode. This mode is designed to reduce the humidity on the air in the room. Press the mode button again, and the cursor stops next to the word heat. This is the heating mode. In this mode, we set the temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. To save electricity, you can set the temperature below 26 degrees Celsius. In heating mode, choosing the auto fan speed allows the air conditioner to work more efficiently. In this case, the microprocessor itself adjusts the speed for optimal heating. Icing of the outdoor unit can only occur when the outdoor air temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. To switch to auto fan speed mode, press the fan speed button until the cursor disappears. This is the auto fan mode. To reach its rated capacity in heating mode, the air conditioner needs 20 to 40 minutes of operation. Press the mode button one more and the cursor stops next to the word fan. This is the ventilation mode, in which the air conditioner works like a regular fan. Another press of the mode button takes us to auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner automatically maintains the set temperature. For example, If the temperature is set to, for example, 24 degrees Celsius or 75 degrees Fahrenheit, then when it drops, the air conditioner will turn on the heating mode, and when it rises, it will turn on the cooling. By pressing the mode button one more, we return to cooling mode. Now I will explain the functions of the other buttons. Sometimes in extreme heat, users set to 21 to 22 degrees Celsius or 70 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Sleeping in a room with this temperature can lead to health problems. To avoid this, use the sleep button, night mode. In this mode, after 2 hours, the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius or 2 degrees Fahrenheit, and after a few more hours by another 1 degree Celsius. For intensive cooling, you can use the turbo button. When pressed, the fan turns on the maximum, and after 15 minutes of operation, the device itself will return to the previous mode. The swing button allows you to control the shutters, directing the airflow up and down. The LED display turns the display backlight on the air conditioner itself on and off. The direction button is used to fix the direction of the outgoing air. The timer on and the timer off buttons are used to turn the air conditioner on and off at a set time. For example, you want the air conditioner to turn on in 10 hours. You switch off the AC and you press the timer on, and with the help of these buttons, we set 10 hours. A timer on icon appears on the screen. The air conditioner will turn on by itself after 10 hours and cool the house for your arrival. If you need to limit access to the remote control, press the lock button with the tip of the pen. A lock icon will appear on the screen. To unlock, press the same button again. If the remote is not working correctly, it can be reset by pressing the reset button. Thank you for watching us until the end.